In this video, I'm going to show you how to track everything else spending in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money does not have a built-in everything else category, but you can create your own to track miscellaneous or flexible spending. To set this up on desktop, go to Settings, then Categories, and create a new group called Everything Else. Add categories like hobbies, gifts, or other variable expenses into this group. Once done, go to the Budget tab and assign a flexible monthly amount to this group. You will then see the total spending and progress bars update as you use it. You can also track this type of spending in the Transactions tab by filtering for uncategorized items or excluding fixed categories. Another way is to go to Reports and view spending across selected categories to see trends over time. On the dashboard, the left to budget amount can also act as your remaining flexible spending. This setup helps you manage discretionary expenses more clearly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.